Okay, dolls, so this is what the unit looks like straight out of the box. The knots are not bleached on this unit, and it is not pre-plucked. So this is something that you're gonna need to know. So I'm about to go and bleach these knots and pluck this unit, and then I'll be back with this review. Okay, dolls, so this is what the unit looks like now that I've gone ahead and bleached the knots. Some of the bleach did sink through the wig and got on some of the hair in certain parts. You can see it. Well, it's not bad, but to fix that, you know, it's real easy. Just use this touch up and just dab it on the roots, and that'll clean it right up. So I went ahead and I plucked some of this hairline. I didn't want to pluck it too much. I might pluck this part right here just a little bit more. It's a closure, so it doesn't require much. I'm gonna end up selling this unit, so I don't want to over pluck it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten this unit a little bit. Use some of my Faithfully Asia Beauty wax stick. Link to this will be provided in the description box down below. I'm gonna pluck this a little bit more. Okay, so now before I install this unit, since this is a standard color lace, I'm going to add some powder to the inside of the unit just to get it to blend more with my complexion. Mainly focusing on the front. Try it on. That looks a lot better than this. So look at that and look at that. The difference powder makes. Oh, she kind of cute. Let me go ahead and cut this lace. This is gonna be really simple since this is just a closure. And you're gonna cut it at an angle. Cut was a little too straight for me. And of course, you could definitely wear this glueless. This will definitely be an easy throw on and go type unit. However, I am going to spray the front of this down just because I want to. Some icy hair polish. A little concealer to the parting space. She is good to go. Oh, this turned out cute. Much nicer than I anticipated. I almost was not going to review this unit simply because it was not HD lace and pre-plugged. And I've gotten a little spoiled over here, but I'm happy I actually saw it through because it did turn out so cute and it really wasn't that much extra effort just to go ahead and bleach the knots, and plucking took like 1 minute because it's just the closure. But this is the color. This is what attracted me to this unit, was the color. I like the block of black in between it. It's not like the typical highlight, and that's really in the front. I'm gonna give you the back. The back is more like your typical highlighted unit. I'm not really sure if there's a difference, or you can see the difference in the color. However, when I did bleach the knots, I did put the purple shampoo on the hairs, particularly the blonde part, because I wanted to tone it just slightly. I didn't want to take too much away from it, but I wanted to tone it just down just a little bit, and I think it worked. I don't know, I would have to look through the film to see if there's really a difference, but it looks a little different to me. It's a little bit more muted in my opinion. So dolls, let me go ahead and give you the specs of this unit. Okay, so this unit is from Wig Queen. This is their custom A-line 12-inch bob. As I mentioned, it does have these highlights throughout, and it comes but a 5x5 frontal, so you're gonna have a pretty decent amount of parting space. As you can see, I still have a side part even though it's a closure, so you're gonna have a really good amount of parting space. As you can see, I still was able to make me a side part. If you prefer to wear a middle part, you can easily do that as well, and if you want to flip it onto the other side, you can do that as well, because it comes all the way down to here. So it's a pretty good amount of parting space. I will tell you that I did get a little bit of shedding while manipulating this unit. However, it is a bob, so it should be really easy to manage. I'm not really sure if they have any coupon codes for this unit. If they do, I will have it across the screen. And as always, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, I'll have everything linked in the description box down below, as well as everything used in this video. But guys, before we leave, I'm gonna need your help naming this wig. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And here's my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.